For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
As the southwest monsoon is intensifying, flooding and landslides have become a common sight. After Mumbai, Delhi, Assam and Bihar, now the South Indian states are preparing for the worst. IMD has issued a red alert to isolated parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For the past few days, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka have been receiving heavy rainfall. The Indian Meteorological Department issued a weather alert to Wayanad and Idukki. IMD has issued orange alert to 7 districts in Kerala: Ernakulam, Thrissur, Palakkad, Malappuram, Kannur, Kasaragod and Kozhikode have been receiving torrential rains for the past few days. IMD has predicted that in the isolated places, Kerala would receive heavy to very heavy rainfall. IMD has forecast heavy rainfall for the state till Sunday, August 9th. Amid the surge in COVID-19 cases, the state is now battling to avoid waterborne disease due to flooding. Not to forget, Kerala is among the 6 states warned of potential floods by the National Water Commission. Some of the major rivers are overflowing in Kerala and people are panicking that they might once again witness a devastating flood. Fortunately, the Central Water Commission has ruled out the possibility of flood the state had seen 2 years ago. However, the CWC is keeping an eye on the water levels in various dams, lakes and rivers to ensure they do not cause flooding like before. Due to incessant rains, there are reports of landslides, drowning and tree fall apart from flooding in few regions. CM Pinarayi Vijayan has cautioned people and authorities to take necessary steps to avoid adverse effect due to rain.
Landslides, flooding, mudslides were a possibility and district authorities have been asked to take all necessary steps, including shifting people living in areas prone to landslides to safer places. With very heavy rains expected in Idukki, Ernakulam district also could be affected.
CM also requested people to avoid night travel in high-range areas. Heavy rainfall has resulted in flooding in various parts of Tamil Nadu's Nilgiris district. In Nilgiris district, mostly tribals reside and they have been badly affected due to floods. In Nilgiris Kudalur, intense rain has led to the inundation of a tribal area. Firefighters have launched an operation to rescue tribals trapped in the rain and move them to a safer location. In addition, dams in several other parts of Nilgiris and Coimbatore have started to overflow following heavy rainfall.